everyone, it's Alisra. So today I just wanted to do a quick simple hijab tutorial. I'm just going to school today, nothing special, which is why I'm not very dressed up, but this is a very simple style. I like to call it the cape style. Very simple because it looks elegant without putting a lot of effort in. It's just your regular cap. I have a volumizer in right now, so that's totally option to you guys, and a chiffon hijab and 2 pins. That's all you need to create this look. So I'm just gonna jump into it, and I hope you guys can follow, and I hope you guys love this. So like I mentioned, for this look all you need is 2 pins. 1 safety pin. This is one of those no snagging pins, so just a little clip on the back, and then 1 straight pin. This one I got from the hijab shop, Alisra, just a little box. I think it was $2. You can find these at Walmart too, any like fabric store as well. So these are all you need to create the look. So now I think the most important of this look is the draping style to create that cohesive, beautiful, very sleek look. So personally what I like to do is I like to fold the top a bit. So first I like to make sure that the ends are even, so I'm just going to adjust that a bit. Make sure that they are both even. And then just a couple inches I like to fold it in. And again, making sure that is even. Best way to check is to make sure that the ends are parallel. And then again, this part is optional as well, but I personally like to have a bit of a point here. So in order to keep that point, what I like to do is a couple inches in, I'll hold it here, and I'll pinch, and I'll tuck in. I'll bring that across, and then just make sure we have a nice point. And then because we pinched over here, it's gonna help create that lift over here rather than it sticking down to our head. Again, point it. I see some people like to put a pin back here, but it's just, I poke my head too often when I do that. So this is an easy step to avoid poking your head. So now we're gonna take our straight pin and put it across. So with our straight pin, while we're putting it in, we're gonna weave it in and out so it is secure and it doesn't move at all throughout the day. So weaving it in and out. Ta-da! And it's in, it's secure, it's not gonna move. And now the next step. So where we folded it, we're actually gonna follow this line here. And we're gonna tuck it in once, and then we're gonna do the same thing, so following one of the folds that go in here, fold it in half. And again, this will take some getting used to, but once you get the hang of it, it comes easy. What you're gonna do is put it across and back. And I think the most important step is that you want to make sure you're folding and holding back the part that's closest to your neck, because if you pin this part in the back, this part is going to come loose and it's just not going to look good. So same thing on this side, I'm making sure I'm holding the part that's closest to my face. You're just going to take it back and put those, overlap those parts that you were holding, and then that's where you're gonna put the safety pin, and I'll show you. So we're gonna open our safety pin, then pin it underneath. And this part you don't really need to weave in and out because the safety pin is closing, so you don't have any chance of it coming undone. And I actually prefer this snagless pin because it's a little bit chunkier, so you can really feel it, because if you use a regular safety pin, it's kind of hard to find it in those layers of the fabric when you're trying to undo it later on. And as you can see, like immediately this created such a nice sleek chic look. Like otherwise if I just put on a jersey hijab that it looks bad, but this just adds a type of elegance. This is super nice to do if you have a wedding and you have a nice dress, you want to show off the front, and it just adds like a nice little flair to it. You can put a nice necklace over here and it looks beautiful. My Daisy girls, like you can still put your tika over here and it'll look amazing. It's just something super simple and easy but so elegant, and I think that's kind of the message behind this too. Like something simple is always more elegant as well. I hope that was easy for you guys to follow. This is just a really quick and easy simple tutorial for you guys. I've been requested it a couple times to have a tutorial on it, so I hope this was easy for you guys to follow. If you guys have any other requests, please let me know, and I hope to see you guys soon with more tutorials, more makeup videos coming soon as well. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching. Bye.